I am satisfied with the sentence. It was slightly above what we recommended in the beginning. I believe it's a fair and just sentence, and I believe it's defensible on appeal. And anyone who thinks that 4 times the maximum of the sentencing guideline is lenient doesn't understand the federal sentencing procedures or the guidelines, and they should go back to civics class.
But the drug dealers got more. Is that just normal?
Well, absolutely. He was a drug user. He was not a drug dealer. And drug dealers, particularly based upon the amount of their relevant conduct, the amount of the drug quantities that they are dealing in, that determines their sentence. That's why the drug dealers got significantly higher sentences than a drug user. I believe this sentence says that you should be proud of your federal court system, and you should be proud of the judicial system working in a fair and just way, treating all people the same regardless of their socioeconomic status. The concern from the very beginning was that the sentencing guidelines for these charges were probation to 6 months incarceration. And anytime a judge goes beyond the sentencing guidelines, the appellate court looks at that with scrutiny. And the farther the difference between the guidelines and the actual sentence, the more detailed the scrutiny is. So we were very concerned that any sentence imposed much higher than the guidelines would possibly be reversed. But we believe that a 3 times the maximum that we recommended or 4 times that was imposed is a defensible sentence. One of the requests that we made of the sentencing judge was that Mr. Cook pay all costs of incarceration and supervision. We did not want his imprisonment borne by the taxpayers, and in fact the judge agreed with our request and ordered Mr. Cook to pay for all costs of incarceration and supervision, as well as a $10,000 fine.